नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे. Hare Krishna everyone, welcome back to yet another episode of Grow Through Gita. So let us continue forward in our study of chapter 6 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We've already briefly seen shloka number 1 wherein Krishna said a true sannyasi, a true yogi is someone who continues to do his prescribed duties, but then he does not take the shelter of the results of his karma phala. So here in the second shloka also, Krishna continues the same theme of thought, saying, Yam sannyasam iti prahor yogam tam vidhi pandava nahi asanyasta sankalpo yogi bhavati kaschana. So let's see what the translation says. What is called renunciation is the same as yoga or linking oneself with the Supreme, for no one can become a yogi unless he renounces the desire for sense gratification. So in shloka 1, Krishna said an important aspect of becoming a sannyasi, a yogi, is not taking the shelter of karma phala. Here, Krishna introduces yet another crucial point of a yogi, and that is what? To be free from the desires for sense gratification, free from all material desires. So Krishna is saying nobody can be called a renunciant, a yogi, a devotee if he continues to claim the ownership, the doership for the karma phala. You ask any student, somebody who's come first or something, you go say, how did you do this? And he will say, oh, I visualized it. I set hard goals. I was very disciplined. I would wake up early in the morning. I would say all kinds of positive affirmations. I was very, very strict with myself. I would keep away from all kinds of distractions. I did this, I did that, and I did something else. And here you go. I got this result. You are somebody who has won the elections. How did you win these elections? And they will say, I was campaigning day in and day out, and I came up with this wonderful slogan, and I came up with this excellent strategy, and my team was like this, I did that, and this is how we won the election. You go and ask some parents who have successful children, how did you accomplish this? They will say, we made a lot of sacrifices. We put my child to the best of the school, and I did this, I did that, and all kinds of things. And it's because of my wonderful parenting. Here you have my wonderful child. So anybody you ask anything, they will say that karma phala ashritaha. They take shelter of karma phala and they think it's because of me that this thing happened. It's because of this that thing happened. But Krishna later in 18th chapter will say, you are only one segment, one small segment in the outcome of the result. Like the student's example, somebody could have studied even harder, burnt the midnight oil and did so many other things, but still may not have come first. Yes, our endeavor is one aspect, Cheshta, but Krishna in 18th chapter will say there are 5 different variables for the success of any particular action. So it becomes unjust on our part to claim the credit for all the results that we get. So that is one aspect, that karma phala aspect. Yet another thing Krishna is saying here is, be free from all your desires for sense gratification. Then what should I do? Well, instead of gratifying your senses, now you shift the focus to gratifying the senses of Krishna. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevyam Uchyate. The best engagement of your senses is to engage them in the service of the master of the senses, Rishika Isha, Rishikesha, the master of the senses. So these are the two important aspects. Don't take shelter of karma phala. And number two, be free from sense gratificatory desires. Then you are well on your path to becoming a successful yogi, a successful sannyasi. So again, time and again, Krishna emphasizes the spirit of renunciation, not so much on the formal order of renunciation, although that also has its place. Okay, so coming back in the next video, we will enter into third shloka. What is Krishna going to reveal there? For that, you have to tune in and come back again in the next video. Until then, take care. Hare Krishna.